Values of alternating current and voltage. There are mainly three values for alternating current and voltage, that are peak value, average value and effective or RMS. RMS, that is root mean square. Root mean square value. First, peak value. Peak value is also denoted by Im or EM. It is the maximum value. Im in case of current, EM in case of EMF, the voltage. The maximum value attained by an alternating quantity. Alternating quantity means current or maybe voltage during one cycle is called its peak value. A cycle the maximum value is that is 90 degree. This is called EM, that is voltage maximum, IM maximum current. It is also called alternation. Next, average value. The arithmetic average of all instantaneous values in one cycle is called average value. Instantaneous values mean at point 1 the instantaneous value is I1, at point 2 instantaneous value is I2, at point 3 I3 and so on. At point n the value is IN. मीनस आप सिर्फ हाफ साइकिल देखना है सैट ऑफ पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज़. अगर आप इन्हों की अर्थमैटिक एवरेज कट लेनी अपने, अगर आप ये भी बिच ले लेंगे फिर तो जीरो आ जाएगी, क्योंकि जिन्नी पॉजिटिव ने उन्नी नैगेटिव ने. आप सिर्फ हाफ साइकिल दी वैल्यूज़ लैनिया ने. दैट इज आई एवरेज I1 प्लस I2 प्लस I3 प्लस so on IN and divided by, because there are n number of values divided by n, it becomes an average value. And the last is RMS, root mean square or effective value. It is given by that steady current means direct current, which when flowing through a given resistance for a given time produces the same heat as produced by alternating current when flowing through same resistance for same time. Means ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹ ਡੀਸੀ ਕਰੰਟ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਲੋ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਖਾਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਲਈ. ਜਿੰਨੀ ਹੀਟ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਨੀ ਹੀ ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਲੋ ਕਰਨ 'ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰੰਟ ਆਲਟਰਨੇਟਿਵ ਕਰੰਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੀਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸਦੀ RMS ਜਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਇਫੈਕਟਿਵ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ. रूट मीन स्क्वेयर वैल्यू ये होगी अपनी IRMS स्केयर रूट I1 स्केयर प्लस I2 स्केयर प्लस I3 स्केयर प्लस एंड सो ऑन IN द स्केयर डिवाइडेड बाय n. Average value in terms of अगर आप करना हो maximum value, then it will be 0.637 IM. I average will be 0.637 times of the maximum value, and IRMS it will be equal to 0.707 of IM. ठीक है. I average is equal to 0.637 IM and IRMS, that is effective value, is equal to 0.707 of maximum current. जहाँ मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज करनी हो ERMS हो जाएगा अपना 0.707 Emax. ठीक है, ये करंट लिए ये वोल्टेज लिए. IRMS वैल्यू ਜਾਂ ਇਫੈਕਟਿਵ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੋਰਮਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇੰਨੇ ਐਂਪੀਅਰ ਕਰੰਟ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਇੰਨੇ ਵੋਲਟੇਜ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ 220 ਵੋਲਟੇਜ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ 4 ਐਂਪੀਅਰ ਕਰੰਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ RMS ਵੈਲਿਊ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਰੰਟ ਆ, ਇੰਨੇ ਐਂਪੀਅਰ ਕਰੰਟ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਇੰਨੇ ਵੋਲਟੇਜ ਆ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ IRMS. And the next is form factor. Form factor is defined as the ratio of RMS value, that is effective value, to the average value. That is, it is denoted by KF. It is ratio of I RMS to I average. We know I RMS is equal to 0.707 in terms of maximum value IM, that is maximum current, and I average in terms of IM 0.637 IM, and it will become 1.11. The value of form factor is always 1.1. And the next is peak factor. Peak factor is defined as the ratio of maximum value of current to the root mean square value of current. It is denoted by Kp. It is ratio of Imax to IRMS. Imax, Im divided by IRMS in terms of Im is always 0.707 Im, and it will become 0.707, which is equal to 1.14. Form factor is 1.11 and P factor is 1.14. Now we will solve a numerical. The equation of a sine wave of voltage is given by E is equal to 100 sine 314t. Sine wave means this one. Find maximum value of current, voltage, instantaneous value at angle 30 degree, and third one is frequency. So first we'll find Emax, that is maximum value of current. Now the equation is E 100 sine 314t. So compare it with the equation Em sine omega t. Omega is angular velocity. So Em will become is equal to 100 volts by comparing these both equations. And the second one is instantaneous value at theta is 30 degree. We know that instantaneous value is given by Em sine theta. This is same equation, is also can be written as sine theta. When theta is 30 degree, which is given, then it will come Em is 100 sine 30 degree means 100, and the value of sine 30 is 1.5, it will come 50 volts. And third is frequency. We know that omega is equal to omega's angular velocity, and it is equal to 2 pi f from the relation of omega and frequency. Omega is equal to 2 pi, then f is equal to omega upon 2 pi. By comparing these two equations, we know that omega is 314. 314 into 2 into pi means 3.14. By solving it will become 50 hertz, 50 cycles per second.